How to restrict Messenger access to only friends. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change who can send you messages on Facebook Messenger. This allows you to control which users are permitted to contact you through the application. So first of all, you have to open the Facebook Messenger app, and then once you're logged in, now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, scroll down and go to privacy and safety option that is below the accessibility option. From here, select a message delivery option from the who can reach you section. Click on it. You will see various categories of people who can send you messages. Message requests to have their messages sent to your message request folder, or block to prevent them from messaging you, which will send their messages to your spam folder. Next, there is an option of people in your Facebook groups. So for these users, you can choose the same settings, allow chats, send messages to request or block, and at the bottom you will find the option of others on Messenger or Facebook. So these are the people you have no connection with. For individuals who have no mutual connections with you, messages will not appear in your inbox. They will either go to your message request folder or be blocked. So you can also apply the same settings to messages from other people on Instagram. So that's how you can manage your message settings on Facebook Messenger app. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.